In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create subscriptions on Shopify, 5 minutes. Subscriptions are a great way to boost repeat revenue and give customers a convenient way to receive products on a schedule. We'll walk through the exact flow inside your Shopify admin so you can set up a simple, reliable subscription plan in just a few minutes. First, open your Shopify admin in your browser and sign into your store. Once you're on the main dashboard, head to Settings, usually found in the lower left of the admin. Settings is where you'll find store-wide controls and app configuration, which is why we're starting here. Inside Settings, click Apps. This is where your installed apps live and where you can access any subscription tools you've connected to your store. From here, select your subscription app. Most subscription apps that work with Shopify's subscriptions API will look and feel similar, and the terms you'll see next, like plan, frequency, and discount, are common across them. Inside the subscription app, look for the option to create a new plan, then click Create Plan. This opens the plan setup page. Start by adding a clear plan title. Think of this as the internal label you'll use to identify the plan later, something like Coffee Subscribe and Save or Monthly Refill Program. Next, add the plan name that customers will see on the product page. Keep it short, descriptive, and benefit driven. For example, Subscribe and Save 10% or Monthly Delivery. Now choose the subscription type. This typically includes options like pay-as-you-go, where customers are billed each delivery cycle, or prepaid bundles, where customers pay upfront for multiple deliveries. Set the delivery frequency options you want to offer, such as every week, every 2 weeks, or every month. If your app supports it, you can also add an incentive like a percentage discount for subscribers, set a minimum number of cycles, or allow customers to pause or skip deliveries. Clear options make the offer more attractive and reduce churn. Once those details look good, click Save. Saving will create or update the plan so it can be applied to products. Most apps will then let you assign the plan to specific products, and the subscription widget will appear on those product pages. After saving, preview a product page to confirm the subscribe option shows up, the frequency choices are correct, and the pricing reflects any discount you added. If something looks off, return to the plan, adjust the title, name, type, or frequency, and save again. That's it, you've created a subscription plan in Shopify and you're ready to start selling on repeat.